Hi, today I am doing this type of video where I'm crocheting something for fun and bringing you along. So my idea for this video is to crochet a cute summer top from the yarn I already have. So I have this bag of yarn, which I thrifted last year and already started doing some freehand, no pattern top, but it wasn't very successful. This is what it looks, the front part. I wanted to mix some stitches, some like patches, different colors, but it was pretty hard to make it freehand with with making holes, and I skipped a lot of stitches, and as you can see, like the edges are not very even. So this time I have a plan to make it a little less complicated and more simple, but a lot cuter this way. So let's start preparing and come closer to see what kind of yarn I have here. So this is the yarn I have, and this is the pieces I already started making. It was almost finished, but I didn't really like the outcome of it, so I will frog it and we'll start making again. This is a very beautiful yarn actually. It's pretty soft. It has bigger pieces on it and it's kind of shiny, so I really love it, and I have the most of this yarn, 3 or 4 balls in total. And I have this one, it's mixed linen and cotton. It has some orange bits in it. It matches, I think, very nicely. The shine and the colors are pretty similar, lighter grayish blue and this navy royal blue color. I think it will go very nicely together, just like a little extra to make it more vivid and lively. And this greenish color, like sage green or something like that. Not sure if I'm gonna use it, but maybe, like for the edges around. Yeah, we will see. So this is not sure, but all of the rest, the blues and the beige colors, will come into the project. Let's do the last sketches to finalize the idea of the top. To start crocheting a top, I like to measure my shoulder length. So this is, for me, the easiest way to check the size and to make the fit what you are looking for. So for this top, I wanted to be a little more oversized. So I made not the exact shoulder length, but a little bit bigger. So this is what I have so far. Made a little swatch. So as you can see, here is my shoulder length, somewhere around here, and the top, the swatch, something around 2 centimeters longer. It's easier than measuring waist or chest, for me at least. Of course, if you are creating top with the straps, it's a bit different story. So this is my way to start, and like a quick tip, if it works as well for cardigans, very well, or for the sleeves, just measure your shoulders and the top should fit you perfectly then. This is what I have so far. So I'm using half double crochets for all of this part. And here I made clusters of 3 double crochets to make a little mesh part. And I will continue making half double crochets with the beige color up here. Hi, this is day 2 of creating my freehand thrifted yarn summer top. And yesterday I bumped into a few problems. First of all, I forgot that I have this linen yarn with orange bits in it. So I frogged a few rows from my project and put the yarn and started already a few rows with it. And then the second problem appeared because I started making the mesh row. And the problem is that after blocking and everything, the mesh part will be somewhere where my bra starts. So I don't want this, because if I decide to wear it without a top underneath, I don't want that my bra would stick out. So this is what I'm going to do. Probably I will unravel a few rows more that my skin would show off when I wear it. Yeah, it's very sad that I forgot about that yarn, and I really want to use it. I will frog probably like half of yesterday's work. But I want this top to work out and to use most of the yarn what I have. Here I am frogging almost everything what I made yesterday. A little smile on my face, but crying inside. Here will be the mesh. I think this should be enough. So I will start with the linen yarn. Some breakfast before continuing on the project. Sorry for the bad lighting, but this is what I made so far today, from here up to there, and maybe we'll do a couple of rows more, and this part is coming to an end. This morning was super exciting because after waiting, finally our sofa arrived. What do you think about it? And finally, I will have my little corner where to crochet. Of course, I immediately have to try it. And here I am starting to work on the first front panel of the top. Why not to try laying on the back and crocheting at the same time? Tell me which position for crocheting is the most comfortable for you. Here it is, a little update on how the top is going so far. So I finished the back side. It is looking like this. I made here notch for the neck, and here is one of the front pieces. Here I added one more detail of linen yarn, and here the cleavage. Not too deep, just a little V. We'll start working on the second part, and it's almost finished. Here I am with my almost finished top. I made all the pieces. So here is the back side and two front pieces. I really would like to have an edge all around at the bottom and in the front here. It would frame all the whole top very nicely, but we will see if it's enough what I have, because I want to use as much as possible from that thrifted bag I have. So let's finish it. So here it is, my finished thrifted yarn summer top. What do you think about it? Please let me know in the comments. Give a thumbs up for this video, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next ones. Bye!